Welcome to this basic fitness training exercise. Before we begin, put on these boxing gloves. Great, we're going to start slow so you understand the exercise, then move faster afterwards. Before you begin, make sure that you have enough space to move your arms around freely. Next, make sure that when your arm is fully extended you can reach this target. You want your hand to pass through the entirety of the target shown here. Good job. Now, if the target is red color, I want you to punch it with your right hand. Great, now if the target is green color, I want you to punch it with your left hand. Excellent. When this shows up, I want you to duck underneath it. Practice now. Now let's put it all together. Punch left, right, left, then duck. Great job. This exercise is often done as a routine for officers. Feel free to continue or go back to the menu to try another experience.